As morning breaks over the Kruger National Park, the bush slowly comes alive with sound. The distant call of an eagle, the chatter of woodland birds, and the gentle movement of life along rivers and open plains mark the start of a new day. The park is home to more than 500 bird species. Join us as we explore some of the remarkable birds of the iconic Kruger National Park. The lilac-breasted roller is often called one of Africa's most colorful birds, showing off at least 8 different colors, from its lilac chest and turquoise belly to brilliant blues and greens that flash spectacularly when it takes to the air. You will find these beautiful birds throughout the Kruger National Park, usually perched watching for insects below. A seasonal visitor to Kruger National Park, the European roller migrates thousands of kilometers from Europe to southern Africa each year. Although still fairly widespread, the species is currently listed as near threatened, mainly due to habitat loss and changes along its migratory routes. Among the smaller but brilliantly colored birds of Kruger National Park is the little bee-eater. This lively bird is often seen perched low near rivers or open woodland. It expertly catches flying insects in midair, returning to the same perch to beat its prey before swallowing it. The carmine bee-eater is one of the most spectacular seasonal visitors to the Kruger National Park. These vibrant birds arrive during the summer months, forming large breeding colonies along sandy riverbanks where they nest. They catch flying insects in mid-air with remarkable precision. Their bright colors and constant activity make them a favorite sighting for Kruger visitors. A welcome summer visitor to Kruger National Park, the woodland kingfisher is easy to recognize by its bright turquoise blue wings and white head and chest. Unlike many kingfishers, it often hunts insects rather than fish, swooping down from open perches. Its loud, bubbling call echoes through the bush belt and is widely regarded as one of the true sounds of the African summer. Along the rivers and quiet water edges of Kruger National Park, the tiny but dazzling malachite kingfisher can be spotted perched among reeds. Despite its small size, its brilliant electric blue back and rich orange underparts make it unmistakable. It dives headfirst into the water to catch small fish and aquatic insects. The giant kingfisher is the largest kingfisher species found in the Kruger National Park, recognized by its striking black and white plumage and shaggy crest. This powerful hunter is usually spotted along rivers and dams. Unlike smaller kingfishers, it feeds mainly on fish, diving dramatically into the water before returning to a perch to swallow its catch. Its loud, rattling call often reveals its presence long before it is seen. Staying with kingfishers. The gray-headed kingfisher with its gray head, chestnut belly, and bright blue wings is a fairly uncommon summer visitor to the park. It mainly feeds on insects and small reptiles. The violet-backed starling is one of the most striking summer birds found in the Kruger National Park. The male displays a brilliant violet-purple back contrasted with pure white underparts, while the female is far more subtle in soft brown tones. These birds are commonly seen in open woodlands and riverine areas, feeding on fruit and insects. The saddle-billed stork is one of the most elegant water birds found in the Kruger National Park, standing over a meter tall. It is recognized by its glossy black and white body and its large red bill marked with a bright yellow saddle. The male has a dark brown eye, while the female's eye is a vivid yellow. They are usually seen wading quietly through rivers and wetlands, feeding on fish, frogs, and small reptiles. The dwarf bittern is one of the most secretive and rarely seen water birds in the Kruger. Hidden within dense reeds and wetland vegetation, its remarkable camouflage makes it difficult to spot. It produces a soft, repetitive cooing or pumping call. Considered uncommon to rare in the Kruger, any sighting of this elusive bird is a special reward for patient birdwatchers. The greater painted snipe is a shy and beautifully patterned wetland bird occasionally found in the Kruger, preferring shallow marshes and flooded grasslands where it remains hidden among vegetation. Unlike many bird species, the female is more brightly colored than the male and takes the dominant role during breeding. The African jacana, often called the lily trotter, is a familiar sight in the park. Its long toes allow it to walk effortlessly across floating vegetation while searching for small aquatic prey. The female is larger and may mate with several males, leaving the males responsible for incubation and chick care. The African fish eagle is one of the most iconic sights and sounds of the Kruger National Park. Easy to recognize by its striking white head, dark body, and powerful yellow bill, this majestic raptor is commonly found near rivers, dams, and large water bodies. The African crowned eagle is one of the most powerful and elusive birds of prey found in the Kruger National Park. Unlike many open savanna raptors, this impressive eagle prefers dense woodland and riverine forests, where large trees provide suitable nesting sites. A skilled ambush hunter, it hunts from the forest canopy, preying on birds and small mammals. This majestic eagle is uncommon and seldom seen, making every sighting a memorable experience. Now let's move on to a little bird. The monotonous lark is a characteristic bird in open grasslands of the Kruger National Park, often seen perched on termite mounds or low shrubs. True to its name, the bird delivers a repetitive, monotonous call that carries across the bush. The red-crested korhaan is a distinctive ground-dwelling bird found in the open grasslands and savanna regions of the Kruger National Park. And this bird has a call for the ages. Wait for the grand finale. The stunning pearl-spotted owlet is one of the smallest owls found in the Kruger National Park. They measure between 17 to 21 centimeters. Unlike many owls, they are frequently seen during the early morning and late afternoon, and may even hunt in full daylight. Common in woodland and savanna habitats, it feeds on insects, small birds, and reptiles. Its sharp, whistling call often attracts other birds that mob the owlet, revealing its location.